Hello everyone, welcome again to the Electrical Engineering Bootcamp. In this episode, I am going to give you an outline to what is a transmission and distribution system. In the electrical utility industry, there are generally three big components in this whole system. The first one is generation, which is like a factory that generates electricity for use in consumption. Then, after generation, it would then pass on to something called the transmission system, which is described as the transfer of the commodity, aka electricity in bulk, from generation facilities to substations and or from substations to substations. And in the end, we have the distribution system, our third component, which is used to transfer the commodity, again the electricity, to its customers for consumption. Now let's start off with the generation station. The generation station contains one or more generators that converts mechanical power into electrical power. The mechanical power forces the movement of electric charges that results in current flow. Most use coal, oil, or natural gas as fuel to operate the generation facilities. But now there are more and more consideration to use renewable energy sources such as solar, water, or wind. The typical voltages of operation in the generation stations are from 10 kV to 20 kV. Now, after the generation station, at the end of the generation station, the electric current from the generators being generated will go through a step-up transformers to step it up to higher voltages to be transferred through the transmission lines, which is the start of the transmission system. The reason for stepping up to a higher voltage is because it needs to minimize current loss due to conductor resistance. The typical transmission voltage ranges from 69 kV to 500 kV. The transmission system ends at substation, where it will get stepped down into the distribution system voltage, and that is where we enter the distribution system. Now, starting from the secondary side of the substation transformers, the voltage levels get stepped down to around 15 to 25 kV and carries the currents all the way to a place near the user base, either commercial customers or residential customers like your house or my house. This will then be further stepped down with a distribution transformer to voltages into the household range, which is either from 120 volts to something that's being used in commercial buildings such as 600 volts. And this is a brief summary of the three major components of the utility electric system. I hope you enjoy this episode in the Electrical Engineering Bootcamp. And if you wish to connect with me, I would be more than happy to show you more in the electrical engineering world. Um, for the latest news in the world of electrical engineering, please connect with me through Twitter, which my handle is at eebootcamp. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest free training videos for you to have more knowledge about electrical engineering and the various industries that are in the electrical engineering world. Lastly, if you wish to connect with me on LinkedIn, please send me a link of your profile to eebootcamp at yahoo.com. And after I receive the link to your profile, I will send you a personal invite to connect in LinkedIn. Again, thank you for your time. Have a good one. Bye for now.